Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure devices share the same Wi-Fi and that your TV or Chromecast is powered and awake. Open Google Home and sign into the Google account you'll use. This ties voice and casting permissions. If your device needs Bluetooth for setup, turn it on now. Once done, the app will scan for nearby devices, grant location if prompted. Follow the on-screen device discovery prompt so Google Home can add the TV or Chromecast to your home group. You now tap the discovered TV entry and choose Setup. This transfers credentials and negotiates control. Assign the TV to the correct room so voice commands map correctly, and accept any firmware updates to avoid incompatibility. Make sure to link streaming services under Account, add video and audio so casting works seamlessly. If you're asked to confirm a code on the TV, match it to what appears in the app. These steps configure permissions, audio routing, and default casting. To finish, test by opening a cast-capable app and selecting your TV. You should see media start within seconds. You can also set a default speaker and default TV in the Google Home device settings to simplify future casting. If playback fails or the TV isn't found, reboot your router, TV, and Chromecast in that order. Make sure all devices are on the same SSID and try re-adding the device in Google Home. If errors persist, check for conflicting VPNs or multiple 2.4/5 GHz SSIDs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.